Okay, here goes Chanel. 20 elf jumps. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, deep squat. 8. Got 5 to go. 3, 2 more. Set the bar down. 20 jump squats. As she crushes Poncho and Lefty. 1. Nice and deep. 6. Here we go. We got 12 more. 5 more. Here we go. 5 and 4 and 3, 2 and 1. Nice job.